Fefdy.
Subtraction.
Aunt Hafifa, the kids, and the scientists go on a tour to one of the coldest places of the earth, the continent Antarctica. The scientists explained about glaciers, which are frozen snow that formed many years ago. One of the biggest glaciers in Antarctica is the Thwaites Glacier, and it, along with the Pine Island glaciers, usually melts into the sea. Because of global warming, the glaciers are melting more, causing the sea level to rise each year. Environmentalists all over the world are concerned that this might lead to flooding of land areas. That's why Thwaites Glacier is also called the Doomsday Glacier. As they walk through the cold, icy landscape, Aunt Hafifa teaches the kids about subtraction, explaining its concepts and properties.
Hello kids, let's have a look at the Lake Vostok.
Wow, it's so beautiful and sparkling. Aunt, there are some birds over there looking like cranes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There are 10 birds totally.
They are the blue herons with blue-gray feathers.
Oh, 3 of them flew away. Then how many will be remaining, Aunt?
Among the 10 birds, 3 birds flew away. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Therefore, there are only 7 birds left.
Can you tell us how the calculations are done?
Sure.
Subtraction. Subtraction is a basic mathematical operation that involves taking away or finding the difference between two numbers. This symbol that is used when we minus two numbers together, this is called the subtraction symbol, or minus.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There are 10 birds.
3 birds flew away.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
There are 7 birds remaining.
10,
The minuend,
3,
subtrahend,
7.
difference. Let's see another example.
There are 6 apples in a fruit basket. Fern ate 2 apples. How many apples are left?
1, 2, 3, 4.
How will you calculate?
Aunt, this problem can be solved by subtraction, right?
Yes, there are 6 apples in a fruit basket. Fern ate 2 apples. How many apples are left?
1, 2, 3, 4.
The number that we get after we subtract one number from another number is called difference. Subtraction statement. We can write the mathematical expression like 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. The number from which another number is taken away is called the minuend. The number that is taken away is called the subtrahend. The answer we get by subtracting a given number from the other is called the difference. The words difference, left, remaining, taken away, and less refers to subtraction. 6 is the minuend, 2 is the subtrahend. 4 is the difference. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4.